10 clicks away from Keelung, central Keelung.
Yeah, we're about 5 or so even outside the city center.
So I'm excited.
And stay tuned for this Northern Taiwan Adventure Series. The guava I've never seen before.
Really good.
Kind of like that mango ching, don't you think? It's kind of like fermented.
It has like a guava passion fruit kind of taste to it.
That's good.
So I'm at a market right now walking with my very heavy bike, and it's pretty busy. It definitely feels like New Year's right now. Alright, so what are we having here? We're having gali fan. Gali fan.
对，咖喱饭，
他说是传统的口味.
So can we call this Keelung gali fan?
基隆咖喱饭，对。
Really good, dude. It's nice and warm.
This is great for a bike trip.
谢谢。
I'm just trying a roast duck burrito. I like burrito and I've never had a roast duck burrito, so. The duck is very tender.
要再吃吗？
Very simple flavor. Yeah, I would eat this again. So we're just about to get the Zhuangyuan Gao. And is this Taiwan?
Thank you.
Alright, this nice Taiwanese man is going to show Jonathan where to get a food that he keeps seeing everyone eating. So I'm trying to keep up with them. He's showing him. Example of how Taiwanese people always will take you right to what you're looking for. Very helpful. I am trying from this amazing place here peanut butter ice cream. Peanut butter ice cream. You cannot go wrong with that.
Temples, ice cream, Keelung.
Wow. Just a quick little, sweet little trip through Keelung, and then we're gonna camp.
Good morning, welcome to Keelung.
Yeah, so we are in Keelung. We couldn't get to the Keelung famous night market. It was raining.
It's raining for 12 hours, it hasn't stopped.
It's literally been raining nonstop. And yeah, there were mosquitoes trying to attack us all night. Jonathan can literally sleep in any kind of situation.
Yeah, I don't know, I like to sleep on hard surfaces, hard pillows, hard mattresses.
I like soft,
okay
so I
me.
think, yeah, it was a challenging sleep for me, but hopefully tonight will be better. We're hoping the rain will stop so we can head out towards Elan. But first, breakfast and coffee. Okay, so my new friend here, he wants me to try wonton soup.
Yeah.
Special to Keelung.
Yeah.
So Rick, you grew up in Taipei.
Yeah. I worked in Taipei.
Okay, and then you came to Keelung. How long have you lived in Keelung?
5 to 7 years.
Hopefully the holiday will be sunny.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
I think this week maybe like this.
A rainy New Year, but that's good luck. Rain is good luck.
We Chinese say 遇水则发.
So we need to buy our diluto today. Don't forget.
Maybe in the night.
All right. Happy New Year, my friend.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Thank you, Rick.
This is compliments of Rick here.
Hot sauce will make warm your body.
Warm you up.
Yeah.
Warm your body on a cold day. Cama coffee, which means bed in Spanish apparently. It's raining very heavily. It's just really hard to cycle in really hard rain. So Jonathan has a very strong feeling that the rain is going to die down in the next 10 minutes when we finish our coffee. But this is part of the adventure, honestly. Like, who cares? So I get wet. You know, like, people have this thing, well, but if I go on a bike trip and it rains, what am I going to do? Well, you're going to get wet, but it's still an experience. And at the end of a trip, you're always going to look back and be like, that was crazy, but I'm glad we did it. You know what I mean? So it doesn't really matter whether you're riding in the sun or riding in the rain. Circumstances don't matter. Only your state of being matters. That's a mantra I always live by, but like really, because the circumstances in your life are going to keep changing no matter what you're doing, but your state of being can actually remain the same if you are very self-aware and very present. So I'm going to try to be very present and aware during this raininess. Cheers to Kama coffee. Oh, that's good. Stay tuned for the continuation of my Hoàn Ban Đảo adventure in Taiwan, where we make our way from Keelung to Yilan. And will the rain ever stop? Stay tuned to find out, and I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.